Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. My name is Rajesh Naik. Today's topic is top 3 programming languages to learn. I will tell you top programming language and also it will be paid more. So without doing late, let's move into the video. First programming language is Python programming language. Python is a popular coding language and that uses easy read and write code. So it plays very important role nowadays because of the Python programming language is used in different kind of domains like full stack development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and data visualization. It is more benefit to us because of by learning one programming language we can cover 4 technologies efficiently. So in my point of view, Python programming language is number 1 programming language. Number 2 is Java programming language. Java is a high level and object oriented programming language. It is used to develop various kind of softwares like web applications, mobile applications, embedded devices and gaming softwares. So Java plays very important role in nowadays. This all due to Java programming language contains rich libraries, frameworks and other extensions. So Java programming language is a most popular choice for developers and across various domains. According to hackerrank.com, Java is in a first place and Python is in a second place. By learning Python programming language, we can cover all technologies at once. So third programming language is C++. C++ is a compiled and OOPS based programming language. C++ programming language is also known as C extension. In C++ programming language, the user-defined data classes has been created. So C++ is also a high-level programming language. C++ programming language is mainly used for video game development, cloud applications and other bank applications. C++ can provide standard libraries and other extensions like encapsulation, data abstraction and polymorphism as well as inheritance. So these all OOPS concepts are covered in C++ programming language. So I placed C++ programming language in third place. In this video, my suggestion is by choosing Python, it could be better for your future and other job opportunities. So Python is a best programming language for me. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and please do comment and a like. So let's meet in a next video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye.